Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Today, you guys, I have my final unbagging of Heaven Panty. Last month, you guys, I told y'all I was canceling it. I did go in and cancel it. However, I had missed and it had already renewed for one more time. So this is my final set of panties from, or single panty really, from Heaven Panty. And the reason why is I specifically said I did not want thongs when I set up my subscription, and they sent me a pair of thong last month, so I was out. So I knew I was getting this last one, and it has arrived. Let's take a look. The other reason, you guys, is honestly I've gotten enough panties now because I had Splendies. I was getting 3 panties a month, and then Heaven Panty was 1 panty a month, and I'm fully restocked on my underwear drawer is full, so I'm good. I actually also went in and recently canceled Splendies. So my most recent video of Splendies is my last month for now. I think they're great subscriptions. Obviously, I'm not really very happy with Heaven Panty because they specifically have you set it up with your likes and your dislikes, so they don't send you what you don't want, and they sent me what I didn't want. So that was it. I was done. I'm like, no, I'm not giving you any more money. All right, so it does come in a really nice recyclable, eco-friendly bag, and then it does come separately in a resealable bag so that if you want to exchange them, you can. And you guys, I thought about going in and exchanging, you know, sending it back, but honestly, what I'm going to do is just donate that pair of thongs. Their women's shelters are always looking for underwear, so I'm just going to do that. So this is my last pair. I hope to... They better not have sent me another pair of thongs. I'm going to be really mad. But this is, so you get a single, well, the subscription I enrolled in is a single panty, $10 a month. That's the price shipped. So, you know, Splendies is $15 for 3. I think it's probably a little better deal, but up until last month, I really liked the quality of the panty I was getting from Heaven Panty. So you do also earn money in there to use in their shop, and I did that last month. I actually got 2 pair last month because I bought a pair. I do not like how they only let you use like $5. I had like $70 in like panty money to use, and they don't let you just go in and use it. So I was like, whatever. All right, these look cute. Whoops. These already look cute. Little bit of a see-through patch. Wait till y'all see this. You can explain to me why this particular area is see-through and the rest is not. Honestly, but they're cute. So this is what it looks like. So it's on the card. I'll take it off really quickly. Very nice, pretty blue underwear. Take those off. All right, so that front area is that's all see-through here, and then there's some pretty embellishments on the front. They all seem to have some sort of cute bow, and then the back, you know, there's definitely some see-through on the sides, but that's not a big deal. I do like that this is not see-through. The lace is really pretty. I don't know that I would say that it's anything special as far as the design goes. I'll turn it a little, show you guys, but it's cute. Let's see, and apologies, you guys, I'm really filthy. I've been outside in the heat all day. I smell terrible, and I'm covered in cut grass because I was mowing. So that's kind of cute, little different type, you know, of panty, but I appreciate it. There's their little tag. And again, this is $10 per month shipped. They always say that the cost of this panty is going to be more than your subscription. They're saying this is valued at $12. So would you guys go to the store and buy a pair of these panties for $12? I mean, Victoria's Secrets, you're going to be spending a lot of money on underwear, right? But would you go to like a Kohl's or a Target? I don't know. Tell me what you think. But no, I do like these. This is why I liked the subscription, is because I did generally like what they were sending me right up until I hated what they sent me. So let me show you guys. They do have the cotton crotch liner, which is always appropriate. I don't see anything wildly crazy as far as the stitching. I'm always looking at that. You know, there's always a little something that might look a little funky, but nothing's unraveling. Nothing is really alarming, which is good. So all this stuff is always made overseas anyway, but all right, very quick video, very quick. My last Heaven Panty, my underwear drawer is full. Yeah, so also was my last Splendies. So this is kind of it for a little while anyway, until I until I decided I need to restock the drawer. But I really did enjoy both of these subscriptions. There are a lot of other underwear subscriptions out there. I had done my research, watched a lot of videos, talked to fellow YouTube creators to find out what their what their favorite ones were. And these were the two companies, Heaven Panty and Splendies were the two that I found that most people gave a thumbs up to. So not any like massively huge complaints. Splendies, I was getting some weird sizing variation, and they kept saying, well, it's due to the cut and everything. And I'm like, well, but when one fits and the other one doesn't, and it's not really because of the cuts weren't that different. That really is more of a sizing issue than anything. But like I generally found I was pretty darn happy with Heaven Panty. I said, until they sent me the type that I didn't want, I was happy with it. So let me know what you guys think. I honestly, you guys, especially during the pandemic, thought of going to the store and just digging through bins trying to find my size and cut and colors and whatever of underwear that I like. I just didn't want to deal with it. I just remember from pre-COVID, like going to, various stores and like digging through bins of underwear, just trying to find my size and the cut, because, everybody's digging through them. Everything gets jumbled around, and pretty soon you're just digging and digging and digging. And I didn't want to deal with it. So I guess this is the lazy way to shop for underwear. But all right, y'all, hope you're having a good one. I do have one more video to make. Like I said, excuse my appearance, you guys. I'm just really, I'm tired, and I just want to get these videos made. I have a busy weekend. We have a friend's wedding to go to and stuff. So parents are having an anniversary coming up here soon. We're going to try to get together for that. Visiting my dad. He's doing a rehabilitation and stuff, physical therapy, and just a little chaotic. So have a good one, guys. I'll see you shortly on my next video. Bye, everybody.